So hello everyone, today I will be demonstrating you how you can install MySQL as per our requirements up to class 12 CBSE syllabus. So first of all, go to your browser. For me it's Google Chrome. Open that. Next, type MySQL to search it. Done. Now here in this page, we will go to this download section. Click on that. Once we click in, we get this page. Scroll down to the bottom and here you will be able to see MySQL Community Edition and here MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click on this link. We will be going to the next page. Then out of this all of this list, we need to only download this one. Means we need to go to this page for now, MySQL Community Server. Click on that. Next, here in this interface, in select version portion, select 8.0.46, the latest version in 8.0. Then operating system will be Microsoft Windows for most of them, and else you can do for the given list, but I think everyone should have Microsoft Windows. Next, here you will get up this pop-up. Don't go to this download section. You will get a pop-up here. MySQL installer for Windows, all MySQL products for all Windows platform in one package. Here there is one link based button. Click on this, go to download page. Once you select these options, go to download page. Next, this selection will be predefined here as you have chose. Next, you have two options. One is of 565.9 MB of download and another one is of 2.1 MB of download. This one works as it installs the installer, then it installs with an active internet connection. If you don't have an active internet connection but want to download it and install the MSI whole, after that you should go with this option for better purposes, as the downloading from internal sources might get corrupted. So it's better practice to download this 565 or the larger version because the internet usage will be the same. Click on download button. After that, click on no thanks, just start my download. Next, your download will automatically begin. Now for me, I have installed a different method of downloads. Usually your downloads will be stored here in this portion. You will be able to see in downloads page. Once you have downloaded, go to this download section where your files are usually downloaded. For me, let's go to this PC. Next, downloads. Now my files have been downloaded in this miscellaneous portion. Click on that. See, here it's already downloaded for me, MySQL installer community 8.0.46. Also, I will check whether MySQL is there. No, only this installer is there. No, MySQL is installed for me. Now click on this part. Now it will run, preparing to install. This part will take some significant amount of time. Let's wait. So here there will be a pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? It will ask from some admin permission. Click on yes, as it is the general step for installing any application. Then let the installer run automatically. It will take some time. Then again it might ask for your admin permissions. Click on yes in all of these. Now this window will be shown. Let me go to the main screen. This window will be shown where you are getting this interface. Now this is the fresh installation portion. Here select the server only, that is already selected, let it be as it is. Then go to next. Now here will be installation portion and now you will go to you will click the button of execute. Now MySQL will be installed. It will take around 10 to 20 seconds and depending upon your hardware it might take longer or less time. Now this installation portion is completed. Now click on yes. Next, again click on next portion. Now here check once that whether your port is coming 3306 or not. If your port is coming 3306, then it means that your MySQL has been set up correctly and properly installed and it will work fine. If it comes next, we will go to the next button. Now here this part is a necessary one. Instead of use strong password encryption for authentication, the recommended one we will be using use legacy authenticator method written MySQL 5.x compatibility. Check this option. This will be a necessary one because in future parts when we will be integrating Python with MySQL, the first option will not allow us to do that explicitly. So for the integration portion, it would be better for us if we use legacy authentication method. So click on this part. This is an important step. Then again click on next. Now here you need to set your password. Set a very common password which you can remember since you are not creating an actual database. If you are not creating any actual database or not working with anything credentials, then you can select an easy password. For mine, I am selecting an easy common password that I know. Once you type the password, again repeat the password. Then it will show the password strength. If the both of the password matches, then it will allow you to go to the next option. Now I will click on next. Now again I will click on next. Yes, grant full access, everything. You can keep it as it is, then click on execute. Now the final installation and application configuration will take place. It will take some time depending on your hardware. Now the installation is complete, as it gives the message the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.46 was successful. Click finish to continue. Once I click finish, we will be getting the product configuration page. We can see after clicking next that installation complete, we can copy the log. No need for that. Finish. So our installation portion is completed. Now when you will go to your start button, now you will type MySQL. You will get the intended required application, that is MySQL 8.0 command line client. This is the thing which we need. There is another one option, MySQL 8.0 command line client Unicode. This one is not for us. We will not be using that. This MySQL 8.0 command line client is the one application we will be using for now. And for any interface changes or installing packages, we will be using MySQL installer later, but necessarily we will work with this MySQL 8.0 command line client. Now when you will open that, it will ask you for that password all the times you open the application. Let me enter my password. Now once my password is successfully completed, this prompt is the actual prompt where we will be writing our MySQL code. Let me see if it works. By writing a basic MySQL query, enter. Yes, it works as fine. So this is how you will install MySQL into your PC. You may check out other options, but it is better to go with this straightforward method. It is the bare minimum to go on with the syllabus and practice computer science MySQL as much as required and prescribed by CBSE. So thank you all.